4月，我来到摩洛哥最美村落阿伊特本哈杜，听说这里有一种用藏红花做的画，非常稀有，不知道卖多少钱一幅呢？今天就带大家看看。
藏红花，这是藏红花。
Yeah.
然后 this is a sugar, right?
Tea with sugar.
Tea with sugar. 茶和糖。With the stones, like blue stones. That one, yeah.
No,
Okay.
it's not still.
Okay. What
It's
is
a plant.
It's a plant.
Yeah.
We see. So you use this to printing, right? Like for the
Yeah,
new.
blue color.
I see.
Look
Wow.
at this. Normal paper.
Yeah. Wow. The smokes.
Yeah. Cream brulee.
Really? It changed the color.
Yeah.
So you print and you change the color.
Yeah.
Wow. 它烧糊了整个，它把整个画烤糊了。It's like in a bakery, man.
Yeah.
Nice bread.
Yeah.
Do you get some coffee?
Smells good.
I see. 这个烤过了以后，就像在那个面包坊一样在烤面包，知道吗？因为它中间那个颜料有糖的部分。这种做了画以后，你烤一烤，然后又喝杯小咖啡，然后画也成了。Looks nice, man. Good.
Yeah. After the color is fixed.
Okay.
And all this is with the same technique.
Okay. Wow. For all of this, you have the same
Yeah.
technique.
This
Sugar.
technique only from here is our idea.
Okay.
Only from this.
Just with the sugar, with the
Yeah. Tea with sugar.
Tea with sugar.
Orange juice with
Orange
saffron.
juice with some. 有橙子 ，Yeah, 有 plants. I got you. 是不是很神奇？艺术总是来源于生活。How many years was they built with this? 11th century. So it's probably like 1,000 years already. It's like some ghost stories here because it's so old and like you know. Why the people they built this? They use the sand and everything built this. That's the reason why the color is totally same as the sand, right?
Can I show you? Like
Okay.
this is for animals
Okay.
and a small stone.
Mm.
And after,
Okay, I see.
yeah, chopping in. And the terrace, we have the wood, bamboo.
Bamboo with the
Yeah.
wood. Okay. 这炎热的夏天呢，这种东西呢，能够给你在棚子里面有降温的作用，在冬天呢就有保温的作用。其实和我们国家的很多的民族建筑是非常有相关的。顶部呢用的是那个竹子和木头搭建的一个结构，下面呢是用的当地的泥土，还有包括一些石块构建起来整个的一个结构。这是之前从门上取下来的一个锁，这么大一块。对，然后呢，他正在用钥匙开。Really, it works. 你们要看一下那个锁的齿轮，你就会惊呆了，到底是什么样的，真的特别的好玩。
Look at here.
Yeah, I see.
Yes.
啊
Yes.
这个，哇哦
That one.
啊！
Yeah, but the most important is the other one.
这一个上面很搞笑，有多少人住在里面，就上面有多少个这个小出口，然后这间房子有10个人住在里面。
So,
OK， 第一道锁，这是第二道锁。刚才它这个锁的转动呢，是根据这个边和这个地方的这个一个碰撞把它打开的。这个还算是初级锁。我们现在来看一个高级锁，用这个像梳头发的这个梳子一样。That's so interesting.
and
Oh, oh, genius, gorgeous. And you turn around. Oh,
it's idea of Jewish people.
Jewish people. 啊，原来犹太人的一个想法。That's why they have a lot of the weird thing in their house. That's the reason why use double knock. 这个相当于一个出局锁，一般出家逛个门呐，不出远门的，用这个锁完全能够应付，一点问题都没有。然后就是平常你拧一拧就打开。哦，这个锁是绝对高级锁。So they mention for this sign on the door to let the people know, what's the situation inside, right? Okay, man, that's good. 这个很有趣啊，这是代表了这家人很自由。
That one?
这个像十字架的一样的是很多他们当地的妇女，其实在这个地方有一个纹身，这个纹身代表的意思就是已婚。这样的话，就能够代表房主里面的人他们是什么样一个情况。这个其实很像在泰国那边，比如说你门口放了几个水缸，就证明这家有几个女儿。如果水缸里面有水，那就是未婚；如果没水，就是已婚。
Before, like that, is very has maybe 40 centimeter by 60. Is for the skin of camels.
Okay.
They put that inside.
Okay, they put inside. They don't want to shoot.
Because it's very important.
I think in Thailand people think like I have a big family. You kick my ass. I take my family to kick you whole.
Before,
Yeah.
it's like now the key of Lamborghini.
For the Lamborghini. I got you. Okay,
Yeah.
I got you, man. You give me a lot of the stories.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Welcome.
Appreciate. 这是老房子，这边就是新房子了。在 COVID 的期间呢，平均他之前每天可以接待差不多800人到900人，但现在没有见2个人。但是不管怎么说，我们听这个当地的朋友跟我们说，在今年以后呢，有很多的人想回到这个地方，重新开始他们在这延续了上千年的生活。原因很简单，游客很多，很好挣钱。所以不管怎么说，我们祝福他更好吧。OK， 今天先这样了，各位，拜拜。